we have this photo right here, and then we're going to convert it to this one, then to this one. So just a little trick with the patch afterwards, and then we'll do the clone source like this. So in this first one, we want to change this eye. We want to clone it like to look like the other one. So this is how it's going to go. Now, first, what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate the background, and let's name it let me say the cloned eye. No, let's tap it and like just tap in the no wink. So then go to Windows, and then just click on the clone source to bring up the clone source window, and then check the clone tools down, and then go to this button right here, and then just click on click on Alt, and then make a selection, and then you drag it and just drop it just like that here. You can resize the brush as well, and then then you just brush. Make sure that the opacity of the brush is 100 and the flow is also 100. Then just brush, and then here we go. So you see, like this one. So we'll just because the other side is a little dark, appears to be darker, and it affects the blending is not okay here. So what I'll do, I'll just take on the patch tool, and then I'll just select, then drag it to a much lighter surface, just to blend in the colors. So just like that, just like that. Okay, and there we have it. So you see, that is how you do a reverse clone. You can see started from this and now this, right? Okay, let's do another one, but this one is going to be, we want to clone this other eye to this other eye. So we want to do both eyes closed. Just repeat the same process, duplicate the background, and then just naming eyes closed. Eyes closed. Okay. Then click on OK. Okay, let's put it double wink. Alright. Then the same process, remember, clone source window is right there. Make sure the clone tool is selected. Then go ahead and just press on Alt and then click on the eye that you want to reverse clone, and then drag it to the other side, and then just click where you want to do the eye that you want to replace, and just brush it over smoothly. Make sure the size of the brush is alright, it's okay with you, and then just brush and brush, and then there you have it. So go ahead and just move that. So we'll just use the patch again, and then just to clone, not to clone, but to blend the layers, just to blend, to match it. And so you can see that this is actually very easy, and just make sure that you put when you're selecting, like you're pressing the Alt key, make sure that when you're pasting it, when you're beginning to brush with the clone stuff tool, make sure that you position the brush really well, so you create a little more realistic image. And then make sure that the layers are blended, like the other eye may be having some high exposure and then this a low exposure. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you subscribe, you like, and then I'll see you on another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.